In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to foam roll your hips and your legs to reduce pain and improve mobility. So for foam rolling the hips, there's 3 positions we can have the patient be in. Let's have you lay all the way onto your side. So when the patient's in this position, she's going to be foam rolling the lateral side of her glute and also the TFL and IT band. Basically, the patient wants to go back and forth about 20 to 30 times on those particular tight areas. Next, we're going to have the patient go halfway in between, and we're going to bring the leg back over like that. And this is going to get a majority of the glute muscle, and it's going to help foam roll that glute area there. And again, she's going to basically go back and forth 20 to 30 times, helping to foam roll that tightness in her hip and glute area. Finally, we can have her go all the way onto her backside right there, and in this position she's going to be mainly getting glute max, and she can also go back and forth like that for the glute to help release any tightness in that position there. Again, it's about finding any areas that are really tight, focusing on those tight areas, and then moving on to the next session. So the next area she's going to transition to is I'm going to have her foam roll her quad muscle. And in this position, she's going to put her left leg onto the roller, and the right leg's going to be off the roller. And what she's going to do is she's going to use her body position and her body weight to concentrate foam rolling the quad area. This is a great sequence of foam rolling techniques for any tightness in your hip, leg, or lower back. And I recommend patients do this often because we sit all day long and these areas get very tight. And again, she's going to go back and forth 20 to 30 times, concentrating on any areas that are really tight.